The Indonesian Air Force has revealed the first images of its Rafale fighter jet painted in the country's official colors, signaling the next stage in its combat aviation upgrade. The twin-seat aircraft, marked with serial T0301, wears a two-tone gray camouflage scheme and proudly bears the insignia of the 6th Air Wing and the 12th Air Squadron, the first Indonesian unit slated to operate the French-built jet. This Rafale B is among 16 twin-seat variants included in Indonesia's 2022 procurement deal with Dassault Aviation, which also covers 26 single-seat Rafale C models. The agreement, signed on February 10, 2022, marked a major leap in Indonesia's modernization program. Talks during French President Emmanuel Macron's visit in May 2025 even hinted at expanding the order. The Rafales will gradually replace the country's aging F-16s and Russian-built Su-27/Su-30 flankers, while complementing future arrivals of the South Korean Kf-21 Boramae and Turkish Khan fighters. The Rafale's design, a delta wing paired with close-coupled canards, allows exceptional agility while maintaining performance in both air-to-air and ground attack missions. Equipped with advanced systems such as the RB-2 AESA radar, Spectra electronic warfare suite, and a modular avionics architecture, the jet can fuse battlefield data in real time and defend itself against sophisticated threats. Twin M88-2 engines push it to speeds of 1,800 km per hour with a range of 3,700 km. 14 external hardpoints can carry over 9 tons of payload, including Meteor and Mica missiles, Scalp cruise weapons, Exocet anti-ship munitions, precision-guided bombs, and an internal 30mm cannon. At present, 4 Indonesian pilots and 12 technicians are in France for initial training. The pilots will begin a flight syllabus at Saint Dizier Air Base in late August, running until December, combining live sorties with simulator-based mission rehearsals. The technicians are undergoing hands-on maintenance training alongside operational French Air and Space Force units. Delivering twin-seat Rafales first ensures Indonesia can start training flights on its own aircraft sooner rather than later. Strategically, the Rafale's arrival marks a decisive change in Indonesia's air power posture. When paired with the forthcoming Kf-21 and Khan fighters, the new fleet will strengthen the country's ability to secure its vast airspace, deter potential adversaries, and conduct precision strikes across the archipelago. Its long-range sensors, multi-target engagement capabilities, and versatile weapons loadout will allow it to operate effectively both alone and alongside allied forces. However, combat experience elsewhere has shown that even advanced fighters are not invincible. India's encounters with Pakistan demonstrated that without robust intelligence, seamless joint operations, and clear rules of engagement, high-end aircraft can still be at risk. For Indonesia, fully unlocking the Rafale's potential will require doctrinal shifts, enhancing detection networks, integrating air and ground systems, preparing for high-intensity conflict, and refining long-range strike tactics. In a region where neighbors are rapidly modernizing and external powers maintain a growing presence, Indonesia's success will hinge on embedding the Rafale into a cohesive, adaptable operational strategy.